Hello? So, today I just downloaded the oldest version of GACHA Life, but it wasn't called GACHA Life, it was called GACHA Verse. So, I just checked if it was like the other GACHA games, but there was something. Yeah, there was like a. And it used to be a fighting game. That's for sure. There's a trap version, but then he deleted it. It's been like years. When are we gonna get the update? Don't abandon this game. Hey, look, here's Studio. That's Looney's brother. That's the summoner. Die. Take down. Oh, wow. I didn't know there used to be other things. What are these? Oh no. Yeah, let's just not eat that. And then eat blood. And then eat blood. Then eat blood. Stop. And then die. For some reason, you can't like. The only thing you can do is like scale it. Oh no, that is no exit. Yeah. If you're a GACHA original and you want to get this game, you have to be on like iPhone or iPad. So that's where I'm playing on it. And then he shrinks. Then he gets removed from the studio because you can't turn the thing. Well, that kind of sucks. Oh no, what was this? I wonder if he was, I wonder if there were occupation neat personality. Flirty. Okay, who added flirty? Relationship, rank, personality, evil, occupation neat. I give you the power. And then basically he dies. Wait, am I still recording? Oh. Oh no, another piece. No, you can go here. Yeah. just spawned a teacher out of nowhere and then oh no! What the heck? Are you serious? Look at the oh wow. Oh my god, the animation is like much smoother. Yeah, the animations are much smoother. Papito, 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 papito. I don't know why Daddy's just randomly there. Papito, 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 papito. Like you change the background. Oh wait, you actually can. I thought we can't. Oh, we can. Wait, there are actually backgrounds that are in GACHA. What if I do store with that? Oh wow. Do they still have the beach? Do they still even have the beach? Oh no. Wait, what is this? I think that's like inside the internet ball thing. Yeah, we just probably go there until we actually find it. Oh god. Sorry about that. Anyways, let's just see. Found a beach, but not the other beach. Where is the other beach? Oh, this works. Papito, 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 papito. That was in GACHA. I thought not GACHA. Not GACHA. Whatever GACHA is this. Yeah! Then it's a bunch of scars. And then Lucas gets a bunch of scars. I'm surprised that I did not get a single ad while in this. I'm gonna throw you in the beach. No, I cannot swim. Oh no! Oh no! Papito! Papito! Papito, 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 papito. Papito, 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 papito. Animations will lag on my device. Please change to PC. How would this lag my device? Oh, probably back in 2017. The stupid phone was so crappy they had to not even see the end. Papito, 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 papito. Now I got you now. Yeah. No. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. after him. Oh my god, blinking pose. Oh my god. Stop it! Ah! Stop it! Stop it! No. Oh no, I forgot to put sunscreen on. Oh no. His skin turns red. As he forgot he... What do you mean? I'm trying to get... No. Die. Then he basically dies. His skin turns red as his own blood. And then he dies. Oh yeah, checkpoint, yeah. God. Ah! Why did I do that?